A lot of people are on aspirin. Aspirin is good to prevent heart attacks and strokes because it inhibits the stickiness of the platelets in your blood. These platelets clump together when they get real sticky, and then they can cause blood clots. Then you get a heart attack and stroke. Aspirin stops that stickiness. Now, we used to say that anyone at high risk for a heart attack and stroke should be on aspirin to prevent those problems. But now we think we should only use it for people who have had a heart attack and stroke. We found that people who took aspirin to prevent those things, yet had never had one of those problems, a heart attack or stroke, those patients still had just the same number of heart attacks and strokes, but had more bleeding from the aspirin because it can be hard on your stomach, and had more bruising because it can cause the blood not to clot in your arms and legs, and then you'll get bruises all over the place. So if you've had a heart attack and stroke, you should take aspirin, 81 milligrams, that's a baby aspirin. Don't get brand name, get just generic stuff. If you've had stomach problems like ulcers and gastritis, use an enteric-coated aspirin. But it is true, in many cases, an aspirin a day can keep the doctor away.